everything's gonna be okay, okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a try on haul, and for African prints, y'all know I wear those a lot because I'm such a fan of African prints. No, I'm not African. I get asked that a lot. I'm just drawn to the fashion because it's so bomb. Currently, I'm wearing one of the outfits. All of the African print outfits that I'm going to show you guys are from Grassfields. If you haven't heard of Grassfields, where have you been? You've been in a rock. Their stuff is so fabulous. Their clothing is so uniquely designed, and I've been loving everything Grassfields lately. I literally just wore one of their outfits in my LA vlog. I was raving about that outfit and I got so many compliments. Everyone loved it and kept asking, where did you get it from? So I decided to bring you guys a haul because I have quite a few pieces. I'm not going to try on the outfit that I wore in my LA vlog again, but I will show it for you guys who didn't see that vlog. But I'll link it in the cards above if you guys want to see it, and also put a clip here so that you guys can see how it looked on me. But it's this two-piece number. It has fabric in the front so that you can create a bow tie, but I didn't decide to wear it like that. Mine was more so worn as like a scarf appeal. These come as separates. There's a top and then also this nice peplum style skirt, and this one is their Serena skirt and top on the website. Don't worry, I'll be sure to link everything that I show you guys today in the description box, so check down there. The outfit that I'm wearing currently, I just love it. I really had a hard time when I went to LA. I bought so many of these outfits with me in my suitcase to maybe wear, but I decided on this one. This one was definitely one that I was conflicted. The outfit that I'm wearing today really gave the one that I ended up going with for my LA vlog a run for its money because it is so cute. This one is the African print Remi dress. Y'all, I just love this one a great deal because it just looks so regal. I love the bold, vibrant colors that they use. The design of it is just so sassy. I am feeling it. And I like that it's really versatile. You could actually dress this one up, dress it down, and it's just gonna create a really nice look. And the cool thing about this one is that you can wear it with the belt that it comes with or without. And this is what it looks like in the midsection. So it does look a bit looser in the midsection if you did wear it without the belt. And I like that because for those days where you maybe have a food baby or something, you don't have to worry about having anything around your waist that's causing any restriction in this area. But if you wanted to cinch in your waist and create a more flattering look, you could add the belt. And I like it both ways, actually. When I initially was going to wear it, I thought about wearing it without the belt. But then I tried it with the belt and I was like, ooh, this is nice. Like, look at the design on the sleeves and everything. It's so gorgeous. This dress does fit true in size. I generally wear a size 10 and it fits me perfectly. So that's something to keep in mind. Many of the items that I'm going to show you guys, I will tell you all the size that I got and whether it's true in size if you need to go up. It's kind of weird. Some of their items worked for me and then others I had to go up a size. So depending on the material that it's made with, how it's structured, that's going to determine what size you should get. They do have a size guide on the website that is helpful, but I found that some items I did have to end up returning and getting a different size because they didn't work. So this next outfit, y'all, this is the one that had me all in my feelings. When I saw this on the website, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. They actually get new arrivals in every Wednesday, and I'm constantly looking at the site on Wednesdays like, what do they have new? Because everything that they design for me is just like, it just gives me life. I love it. This one is so perfect for the fall. The colors that were used, I love that it's off the shoulder, and this one is so flattering. I got this one in a size 10, and y'all, it fits me so nice. I ate a lot last night, so I hope that it still fits me nice. When I tried it on last week, it looks so great, and I love that it has tapered legs. The structure of it in the center with the belting is just perfect. It has an exposed zipper in the back. This one right here, it's gonna do it for you. I love it. All right, y'all, so the next two dresses have the same structure, but they're different prints. So one looks like this. It's a red print, and it has like this zigzag effect to it. And then this one is brown, and it has circles throughout. It's a really, really beautiful dress as well. Now for these, I love how they're designed, but I feel like they look a little boxy in the center. So for somebody like me who is on the curvier side, it doesn't cinch me in like it should. Like I have quite a bit of space in the midsection, so it makes me look larger than I actually am. And I'm not really a fan of that, but if I were to get it tailored, then it would look so much better. So I believe I'm gonna have to do that for both of those dresses. I got them both in a size 10, and while they fit well in my hip area, so it expands enough here so that it's perfect for my hips, but this area here is just a little too big, so I'm gonna have to get that tailored. And there's really no way around it. If I were to order a larger size, then it's just gonna be bigger in this area, and I don't want that. But everything else fits well. Both of them have a collar, they have a button front, and this quarter length sleeve. And what's really cool is this nice little detailing here. I love this. It has a nice little pop, and it's something that's kind of unexpected. It's really cool.
That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like.
Y'all, this next outfit I'm a little disappointed in. It doesn't fit me that well. I was hoping that this one was gonna look amazing. They actually have this particular design in, I believe, 2 or 3 different prints. I really like this one. I felt like it would look great for the fall, but y'all, look at the waist area. It's way too big. It needs to be tailored, which is fine. I don't mind tailoring it, but it also smashes in my hips. And I did actually send back the 10 that I originally ordered and got a size 12, but it seems as though I needed a size 14, a US 14 in this skirt because it's smashing my hips as well as my backside. I can move in it, but it feels a bit restrictive in this area. This outfit is a 2-piece and it is sold separately. The top that comes with it is a crop top, and I was a fan of that. It's not too short to where it's showing too much. I like how high-waisted the skirt is, so you only get a slight peekaboo action going, so it's still quite classy. It's not too over the top, but the skirt is just too snug. Next up, we have these really cool pants. They're super stylish and definitely a statement piece. There's a ruffle design down the length of the pants, which is really, really cool. This will be a nice pair of pants to wear to a fashionable event. Now, this ruffle design, I'm not sure about. I do like it, but I wish they had actually sewn this area down here because it kind of just flaps. And if you don't iron it, it flows this way, but on the website, this is more so like this, and it looks as though it might be sewn down, but it isn't. So you may want to actually do that yourself or pin it some kind of way. I'm not sure. It also comes with pockets, and I did get these in a size 10. And I just paired it with this top from Shein that says I am a limited edition, which is so dope. And I have these clear shoes on from Shop Akira, I believe. I think that's where I got them from. Yeah, so this is the complete look. Y'all, this jumpsuit, when I saw it on the website, I had to have it. But the shoulders are a little interesting to me. I'm not sure what was going on with the design. I mean, it looks cool, but I think that it would have worked much better had this area been a pointy shoulder look. I think it would have been much more flattering on me. Do you see how it kind of falls flat on this side? If this area was lifted here, then I think it would look much more slimming. Because right now I feel like I'm looking a little more wide with the design because the sleeves are really puffy, really broad. I feel like it kind of puts on a few pounds just in how it's designed. So someone slimmer would look great in this look, but for me, I don't really do well with oversized tops and things like that. They generally make me look bigger. So I feel like this one kind of makes me look like a sumo wrestler. What do y'all think? I wish it was more narrow. Like, that would have been great. I'm gonna have to get this tailored to get it the way that I desire it. But I love the fabric, great fabric. The print is amazing. And the design of this one. I got this particular jumpsuit in a size 12. And actually, after I tried on everything and I moved around in everything, I most likely think that a US 12 would be the best size for me, because this one in a size 12, I have plenty of room to move around. I can actually sit down and it not be a strain. All the other pair of pants that I got, while they looked really nice on me, they weren't the most functional. So I couldn't really move in them as much as I would have liked. And I actually popped one of the zippers as I was moving around. So I should have gotten a US 12 in everything. This one fits perfectly, but I am gonna have to get it tailored because, as I stated, the sleeves are not really my favorite. It is a wrap design in the center. So one of these actually goes through a hole and then you tie it that way. All right guys, here's the last item. I got this Africa print sweatshirt from Grassfields, and this is one of my favorites. I actually got it in the right size this time. The first time that I ordered a black one, I got it in a size medium, and I felt like it looked a little too big. Unless you want it to fit big on you, I'd recommend that you go down a size, but this sweatshirt is so fierce. I love that they use different African print fabric in order to create the design in the center for the Africa continent, and it looks so amazing. This is the perfect sweatshirt for fall and for winter. I'm going to be rocking it a great deal, and I love that it comes in so many different colors. They have it in purple, yellow, black, and I believe they also have it in pink, which is really cool. Check the description box. I'll have the link to everything that I showcase. This particular outfit I did pair with some leather pants from H&M, which are really nice. I think I should have went up a size because they are so snug in my waist. But all right guys, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you want more videos like these, then be sure to like, comment, and also share with a friend. Subscribe if you haven't already. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.